shaking ground, surging storms. How do we face the crisis we see?
Firing guns, raging arms. Who can keep us safe from the enemy? But like a child who is lost in the dark of the night, just believe there's someone who can show us the light. Win our fight. Why wish upon a star when we can ask from the one who created it? Why put our hope on a rainbow? We can depend on the one who painted it. Have faith, walk by faith, not by sight. God will win our fight.
I solemnly urge everyone to pray to the Almighty God, who has the power to defeat every enemy, visible or invisible. Pray for all doctors and health professionals and workers. Pray for your government. Pray for the country. Even as we maintain physical distance from each other, let us remain strong, united in spirit, to fight this dreaded disease. And with our unity, the blessing of God, we shall overcome.
Just believe there's someone who can make it alright. Win our fight. Why wish upon a star when we can ask from the one who created it? Why put our hope on a rainbow? We can depend on the one who painted it. Have faith, walk by faith, not by sight. God will win the fight, overcome and survive for whatever is right in the wars of our lives. Why wish upon a star when we can ask from the one who created it? Why put our hope on a rainbow? We can depend on the one who painted it. Have faith, walk by faith, not by sight. God will win our fight.